One, two, three. Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. I'm in an amazing hotel right now. Check out the pool in Bali. What a view. This hotel is massive, by the way. Kapinski. The Kapinski Hotel. Have a pool in the... We're going to jump in charts for Bitcoin, TON, and Ethereum pumping. My trades from yesterday already up around $11,000, which is beautiful. We're going to jump into those. I'm going to show you my trades. Bitcoin didn't play out the bear flag. Trump announced that retirement funds can now buy Bitcoin, and this sent Bitcoin up like a rocket. Then the second announcement that he did is he put a tariff on gold bars. After he put the tariff on gold bars, Bitcoin also pumped because people think now they're going to sell the gold bars and move into crypto. Hit the subscribe, and GPT-5 was just released. I was doing some programming with GPT-5 and it's amazing. I'm working on a cool new product. I'll show you. We're going to jump in the charts for Bitcoin, TON, Ethereum. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into technicals. My account 906,800. Big bounce this week from 915 down to 868, up to 915, back to 897, back to 906. Roller coaster of a week. You can see where I opened that Ethereum trade yesterday. I opened it here at that's on TON. TON is up $1,600 from where I opened, almost very close to where I opened. Ethereum is up $10,000 from yesterday. And you can see where I opened the Ethereum trade here yesterday at 3,600, and it's up 5%, pushing 3,900. And it looks like, if I look on the 2 hourly, it looks like inverse head and shoulders on Ethereum, which is beautiful. It means it looks bull flaggy and inverse head and shoulders, looking very bullish. Let's jump into the technicals. Uni was up 6.8%, Ethereum 5.4%, World 5%, total market cap of crypto 3%, Bitcoin up 2%, BNB up 1.8%, TON up. The market is pumping. Bitcoin 170,300. It's pushing up. Let's go on to the daily. On the daily, Bitcoin flipped the bearish pennant into a rising triangle on that announcement from Trump. This is a bearish pennant, but it got invalidated because Trump announced this retirement funds. This is very big news that retirement funds can now buy crypto. Target of this rising triangle would be 1,900, which 119,000, which fits in with the resistance lines. 119,700. If you haven't taken a trade, I would try to get a retest off the 115k support and then take it to that resistance. But the risk to rewards on Bitcoin are getting a little bit too not so great. Risking 600 to make 4,500. 10x leverage would be 45,000. But where I see Ethereum, for example, this massive bull flag on Ethereum, huge bull flag. This target bull flag is 5,000. And same, try to get it if you're not on it. Where I would open if I'm not on a trade is on a pullback to the support. So 3,600, tight stop loss, and then taking it to the target risk reward 14 times. Risking $95 to make 1,400, 10x leverage 14,000. Those are the two trades I'll take on Bitcoin and Ethereum. And TON, I also bought TON yesterday. It's around where I bought it, slightly up. On the daily charts, you can see that it pulled back to this support area here. We pulled back to support. It broke out to $3.70. Then it pulled back to support, and we got a bounce of $3.10. So there's support at $3.10, $2.80. I don't think we come down to $2.50. The $2.80 has been building a while. $2.70, sorry. And it looks like it's trying to turn the moving average. If we zoom on the weekly, you can see that if it goes back to all-time high, I opened the trade at $3.30. If it goes towards, this is Telegram, by the way. TON is Telegram. If we go back towards the all-time high, target would be 20 risk to reward ratio, which would be 25 risk to reward ratio, 20 cents per ton to make $5. The all-time high on TON was $8 back in March 2024. And I do believe Telegram, looks like Pavel is trying to push it. On the weekly, we're a little bit overbought, but on the daily, it looks like it's pushing up, and it looks like inverse head and shoulders. Inverse head and shoulders. Yesterday, I also bought Google. Yesterday. I've got 109,700 followers. Ethereum trades and why I bought 1,500 shares of Google. I added 500 shares of Google. And the day before I bought 1,000 shares of Google. The PE golden ratio is 20 times. And I explained in the video about the revenues. Their revenues were massive. You can check it out in yesterday's video. I bought Google. ChatGPT has a bullish target of $160,000 for Bitcoin. I put ChatGPT 5. It just came out yesterday from OpenAI. And it has a target of $160,000 for Bitcoin, which is beautiful. Check it out, the new ChatGPT 5, amazing. 20 hours later on Bitcoin and Ton from my video yesterday, 22 hours ago, 20 after opening trades on Ethereum and Ton. And 22 hours later, Ethereum is up 9,900 and Ton is up 1,200, which is beautiful. Join everyone in the Telegram as well. There's 356 of you in there. Be careful of spam, everyone. There's moderators constantly cleaning it, but don't click any links. Don't give anyone money. Crypto Cesar David Sachs says the executive order President Trump signed today will give 90 million Americans access to crypto. Bull flag looks like on 1 minute time frame. That's way too low. Don't use 1 minute time frame. 4 hours, 1 hour to make sure of the trade. I just answered the goal on about where my target of Ton, which is beautiful. And people are discussing in here. Join them in the Telegram. All the links are down below. Bybit, 60K bonus, main exchange I trade. Free Telegram. Join everyone. You can talk to them in there. Take the Crypto Master course and Stockroom Master to understand all this and set up your charts. Weex gives a $200 bonus on sign up. KYC free worldwide exchange. And they have a big competition right now on Weex. A $2 million futures season 2. 3 epic routes to win a Bentley and $2 million. Which is beautiful. That's my let's read some of your comments from yesterday. Love you, Guru. Always first to like and comment. Thank you, James. Love you, man. Have a wonderful day. Thank you, everyone. Let's scroll down because I answered. Hey, James, I want to ask what settings do you use for daily stochastic? You can find them in the Crypto Master course. You need technicals, please. I was meant to do Ton, but people requested Solana and Uni. I'll try and do them in the next video. I'm stacking. That sounds fake. That sizzling. Did Mr. James miss out? No, I bought Ethereum and Ton. I don't think it was possible. Loves. Ondo, the C plunge. Bitcoin W pattern on the 4-hour. There's still more pain. It looks like those announcements pushed up. God bless you. Thank you again. Thank you very much. H-bar. There is a time we don't continue. We don't get it, but the little divider. 100K swings. The future of crypto is AI plus real utility. Agree. I think AI play is the big one. That's why I've been buying Google, and I want to get more Nvidia and Tesla. James, every time Eric Trump pushes Bitcoin, he crashes it. Always. Not this time. Damn, man, every comment on here is from a scammer. Can't stand. My team's trying to clean them up non-stop, but they just keep posting and posting. We've got 3 full-times at it. James, you're aura farming with every trade, every buy, mate. Thank you very much. Thank you, mate. You're welcome. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Thanks, James. And again, congratulations on those trades from yesterday morning video. Already up 11,300 in 20 hours, which is amazing. From this beautiful place in Bali, Kapinski Hotel, with its own pool inside the hotel, and amazing and crazy waves. Beautiful hotel. Thank you, everyone. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.